This is a weather station.
Uh-huh.
This is tilted downward at the moment. I'll stand it up later. And maybe I'll stand it up now. Stand. There's some water in it. Lift it up. There's a leak in this moment, so let's get the water out. So what you have here is an enclosure box.
Right.
Which I will open for you. This whole thing, in the big picture, is this will be a wind turbine.
Right.
It'll go up. That's a weather station. That's a receiving station.
Right.
And here I'll put some solar panels.
Uh-huh.
And then this is really very similar to what I've put in Antarctica and Greenland. It's a weather station to monitor the environment. And we can open this box now and take a look and see data coming from Antarctica and Greenland. Somewhat difficult to see in the daylight. But, so let's see. I don't know if you can see very well because it's a very dim computer screen. So on this weather station, you see the green little satellite receiver. It's an antenna.
Right.
That antenna is called Iridium.
Right.
And there are satellites in the sky all over the planet.
Right.
And any weather station can talk to any other weather station by making phone calls on that network. So it's really just a telephone.
Right.
And it's communicating data. So here, all data comes from Greenland and Antarctica. And it streams in here, and you can see it as text.
Okay.
And what it presents is the temperature and the wind fields, and also web camera images from remote locations.
Wow.
So they all go into this computer, and then they go onto the internet, which I can show you downstairs because we can look at it on the computer. So this is the basic way in which you receive data from remote stations.
Right.
And I need these keys. So the thing about remote locations is you have to generate all your own electricity. And that's why we use wind turbines and solar panels. And this has a leak. That's why it's water. This is basically what a weather station looks like. It's essentially a laptop computer, which you have a program, and then you have a telephone, and then this computer receives information from sensors, like that's a wind speed sensor, and it goes in here, it's recorded, and then it's telephoned up to space, and then another telephone sends it back down, and it goes into this box and on the internet. It's exactly the same thing in Greenland and Antarctica. So a lot more sensors have to be added to this, and there's a web camera way up there, which you can also see on the internet. So that's that. Looks like it's running fine. Close that up. side effect of doing this research is there's a potential benefit to NYU in that since we generate electricity on the rooftop, what we're actually going to do this summer is take the electricity from the wind turbine and the solar panels, which is more than we need, and to send it back into the NYU electrical grid. So, in fact, we'll be putting electricity back into the university instead of using it. And if that works, then solar panels and such could be put on a lot of these rooftops and it would provide some energy. So the idea is not to store the energy, but just to capture it and to directly feed it back into NYU. So we'll give that a try. Okay, you can step out of the way, doesn't it? Come down.
Okay.